In this week's video, our chain refuses to castle in the locker. We have to take 2 hits at getting the anchor up. We have to bash into big seas to get round the island at the bottom of Sicily. But the wait is worth it. We have a fantastic champagne sail into Syracuse. Once we're settled in and anchored, we have to sit out 3 days of bad weather, not going off the boat. Enjoy the video, guys. Last week's video we crossed from Malta to Sicily, and in this video we're going to go up to Syracuse. The wind was from the northeast and we had a champagne sail up through the bay and then into Syracuse. And that's castled, so I've now got to pay a bit out, go into the lockup, go again. We've actually got the anchor slightly under us. Reverse a bit. Oh, there it is down there, look. And the chain's castled again. Changed that a couple of weeks ago. There we are, Cid's at the helm. We're gonna mosey on round to Syracuse. Lovely spot this, but the wind's about to turn and come in from there, and that will produce some big seas in here. Well, not big, but it'd be uncomfortable. And we want to get round to Syracuse so we can put the anchor down and chillax, because we just seem to have been at it a full chat for weeks. I can't name anything that we've actually done per se. So engine's on, still a bit of red dust, look, fittings, lovely sail work there, look, from Impulsion, beautiful sail work. I'm so happy with this main. Right.
To know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Just keep walking down to separate ways. I can show you. Escape.
See this little island here at the end, that's us there. we're just going to skirt along. This is a fantastic anchorage in the right kind of weather. We've been in here with dusk and sailing Sunday in there, and actually went into the town. And when Oscar was around, he went running on the beach over here, and he absolutely loved it. Loved it to bits, he did. So there's a monument there, and Steve from Dusk walked right up to it, told us it was Queen Victoria on the top of the monument. I don't think it is. I think it's the Virgin Mary, but hey ho, let's show you what that looks like in real terms. So that's us round the headland. Next to nowhere now. I thought we were going to have a nice run in. Everything's gone floppy. You hear the sails flogging. There we go, that's the entrance to Syracuse again. It's almost a year since we were here. Cindy's on one camera, I've got the GoPro. We've called the harbour master at Syracuse twice on channel 11. We know he's listening because we just heard him speak to somebody else. Perhaps he doesn't speak English. But we'll go down to area B, which is at the bottom end, and we'll drop an anchor, pop in and see him later on. A couple of touristy boats coming in on our starboard side, and so it looks like somebody's anchored there. He's anchored, and Someone in the water. Who's having a swim? Someone in the water. No flag up, so I'm assuming they're local. And it's stern anchored as well. Very strange. Right. Where should we park, darling?
Over there.
Let's park over there, shall we? It's almost Pimm's o'clock, you know.
What's some kids, actually?
And we've got ice, and we've got...
Doesn't go out of date days. It's been on the boat about 4 years.
Well, when we were the wild bunch, we used to have Pimm's in it every night, didn't we?
I said I haven't done any painting since we last came.
This French boat here has just come roaring past us backwards. The wind's got up here. It's about, I would guess, 20 knots. I mean, we're at the far end of the bay, so the white caps are getting chopped up. But he just came past us backwards. I went on the radio and put a call out on 16, see if there was another French boat owner. The problem is, our dinghy is up, full of rubbish, and it's too bouncy for us to put our engine on. We don't, you know, risk a £2,000 engine when the boat's bouncing up and down like this. So I couldn't go and help him. Mr. Oka couldn't help him. But it looks to me like he's only got about 20 metres of chain out. Blowing a hoolie now. 25 knots constant. Gusting 30. It's quite a long fetch in this direction, probably a mile and a half. A good holding here in sand and mud. Kite surfers are out over there. You can see them. Look behind me. That's the big church. See if I can zoom in on that. It's the big church. That's the French boat that was dragging earlier today. He hasn't reset his anchor, he's just left it and gone below, which is strange. Because, you know, I think he's probably picked up a load of weed, but there you go. Didn't put any more chain out, he just left it as it was. He hasn't moved, so that's the town. Small ship. That's Mr. Hooker there. Yeah, it's quite blustery. It's a poo sticks day. There's loads of historic stuff here, but obviously we're staying on board at the moment. Got the anchor alarm on. At Syracuse. Next week we go into town and I pick up some extra oars power. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share. And take a look at some of our other 400 videos on YouTube. Sail safe, guys. Wear that kill cord. Bye for now.